Hello friends, let's tour the result of my big green DOGE project 2025. Starting with climbing squash here. I started it indoor. As soon as the bed was done, I transplanted them. That's why they are reaching the sky now. Here are a flower and a squash. Another squash with the flower still attached. And a bee. 2 bees. Here are a dozen squashes. Doesn't mean I will have a dozen squash though. When they are like that, I found most of them will eventually die actually. Down here are the Malabar climbing spinach. This is the only leafy vegetable I can grow in my garden because I don't use chemicals. And bugs eat every other leafy vegetables I tried to grow before. You can imagine leafy vegetables from stores. Probably have a lot of chemicals. Make sure you wash them. This vegetable will soon grow 2 feet taller in a day. Here are 5 tomato plants. As a gardener, I follow the textbook rules of starting each plant with 2 to 3 seeds. Tomatoes always germinate almost 100%. But I'm a gardener who has a hard time to throw away plants. These are pulled out from another spot in my garden. Instead of throwing away, I stuck them here on a hot day. Initially, they had a bad transplant shock. They did not look good. Now, they look like they have never experienced it. They look so healthy. Here are 2 basil plants. I grow them every year. I love basil. A must-have for any cook. Okay, so this is my huge patch of cilantro. I use it a lot in cooking. No store-bought cilantro can beat the freshness of cilantro from your own garden. The second raised bed side, a 4-feet bed of fenugreek. This is my first time growing fenugreek. My mom used to grow it and use it in making bread. Fenugreek and turmeric in Chinese cuisine are like rosemary and cinnamon in American baking. A 4-feet bed of sunflower microgreens. But where are the sunflower microgreens? Birds, chipmunks, and wolves digged, picked, and ate every single seed. That's why I moved this trap from another place to here. Chipmunks and wolves are 2 big bad boys in your backyard garden.
Bro, it probably peed all over our thing. Smile, you're on YouTube.
This is an 8-feet bed. Mainly I have reddish microgreens. They are ready to be harvested, but I have so many vegetables in my fridge. Here are 3 pepper plants I bought from a store. Another look at the site of the metal raised bed. The third bedside, my magnificent mushroom popcorn plant. I grow it every year, just a different spot in my garden each year. This 8-feet bed is the first one I set up. I did not use metal mesh on the bottom. Wolves dug holes throughout this part and one day chewed down a corn plant. I suffered a huge loss. I bought a pepper plant to replace it. Take a good look at this bed and the tall, beautiful green corn plants. Oh, I didn't realize my curtains are all up. Okay, here at the corner, I keep my cactus plant outdoors in the summer. A 4-feet bed with 3 cucumber plants. Another 4-feet bed with 3 cucumber plants. Unfortunately, these cucumber plants are in trouble. They have rusty spots all over their leaves and stems. When they are like that, they don't fruit as many cucumbers and they may have a shorter bearing season. Any cucumber experts there, please help me make them healthy. I will appreciate. Okay, that's the 3 sides of metal raised bed I installed this summer. A cucumber. Another look at these troubled cucumber plants. Help me, help me. While they are here, Chinese chives, mint, here mainly tomatoes. For corn plants, I don't have space anywhere else. I grow them last year here. I'm not supposed to grow them here this year. So we'll see how they will do here. And look at these climbing beans. I love climbing plants. They are just so fun to work with and create a unique vertical view. I love this corner. I have a tradition of taking a picture here every year in the summer and use it in my Christmas letters. That concludes the tour.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or visit the full documentary.